everyone, my name is Priyanshi and I'm back with a new video which is going to be my personal favorite. I was thinking to make this video since very long, but I was not able to make this because I was very lazy these days. I am very lazy these days as exams are over, so I was like skipping it, like I'll make it, but that day was not coming, and finally I just decided to make this video and come up with my best productivity as much as I can. So basically what the dead girl means is coming up with the best version of yourself, which I'll be doing. So tomorrow is going to be challenging for me. So it's right now it is 10:45 and I'll be sleeping till 11 because I have to wake up at 5 tomorrow. That's going to be the first task of mine tomorrow. I have made list here. Whatever I have to do tomorrow I'll be doing, and I'll be just making a tick mark whatever I'll be just done, and I'll be telling you everything which I'll be doing tomorrow at that time only. And at the end of the day I'll be telling how I like whatever I did and what I was not able to do, how much I have accomplished basically. So that's going to be a task for me, plus it will be so productive day for me. I think you will enjoy it because I am super excited to do this all. And during exams I used to wake up at 5, but now that habit gone somewhere, I don't know where. So this is the right time to start it. So we will be meeting in the morning. Good night.
Good morning. So it's 5. I was not able to show you the timing in my phone alarm because I have to record it by my phone, but I can show you the timing at the wall clock. So the first thing which I am going to do now is I'm just going out because otherwise I'll sleep again. So I need to take a little bit of walk. Let's see how's the weather. It is amazing to see this kind of environment or morning like this. I just stayed here for at least 15 minutes because I was feeling so energized. Well, I was not able to speak outside because we have temple not nearest, just attached to my place. So that is why I was not able to say or speak because bhajan and all is going on here, like the morning prayers basically. So yeah, now I want to say one thing is that I always use my phone when I wakes up, which I didn't do yet today. So okay, so one thing which I'll not be doing today is I will not use my phone till I'll be done with my all the morning routines. So we are done with the first task of a day, that is waking up at 5. So I'll be just taking that out, and after which I'll be having water, warm water, because that's a good habit and I normally have that. Like I do have water sometimes, but not on a regular basis, which I need to adopt. I know that. So I'm thinking not to have just a normal water, but let me just put my phone at the right place. Okay, so I am thinking not to just have a normal water, but I am thinking to add some slices of cucumber or lemon. That's what I'm thinking because they are good to be added in water. I'll say that it is really nice. I will not say they completely give you the different taste, but they add value to the water and I can taste them. I can have the flavor of these two ingredients which I added, cucumber and lemon, and they are very good to be added in water, So do try this. Now my next things to do is exercise and meditation, yoga and meditation basically. So meditation is not something new for me to adapt. I do it when I feel it's not good, and it really helps me at the moment only. So meditation is something which we should adapt on every single day, but I'm so lazy, I don't do this, but it does help you instantly. So I'll be doing that, and I really enjoy when I does that. And with that I'll be doing exercises which I haven't done since very long, which again should be included in my routine, and I will be including it. So it will be started from today itself. So I'll be doing exercise and meditation, then we will go for the next step. So let me just finish it and then we'll go to the next. Hi Kiwi. Done with exercise, done with meditation, it's time for me to go for a walk with my pet. But I'll be swapping two things together. Firstly, I'll be doing cleaning, then I'll be going to walk for a walk, because yeah, that's what I want. So I'll be just cleaning my room first, and then we'll go for a walk. One thing which I was so procrastinating was my planning. So I used to do every single day planning, but now I am just lost somewhere. I'm not planning anything. So I have to plan my week at least. Okay, it's time for me to make a tick mark on the things which I have done, because I did so many things till now and I'm feeling so good because it is just 6:30 and I did so many things till now. So I did exercise and meditation. I went for a walk with my pet. I did cleaning. I made week planning. I did skincare. And the next step is going to be my account session, which means I'll be starting doing my studies now. Let's just get started. It is 10:30 now and I'm done with my first session of studies, that was of advanced account, and now I'm going to take break in which I'll be having my breakfast. Then I'll start with the next session of my studies. Well, I'm having sandwiches in breakfast. I'm done with both the lectures. It's time for me to go to take bath. I'm done with bath. Now I'll be having my lunch. Then I'll be sleeping. But before that, I'll be watching something on my phone because I'm so tired now. And I just want my time to watch something to chill sort of thing. So I'll be back. I'll be meeting you guys at 6 p.m. It is currently 3 p.m. I'll be meeting you guys at 6 p.m. Till then I'll be just having my fun time. In that time I'll be sleeping for 1 hour and other time I'll be doing something chill, Netflix and all. So I didn't sleep. I just spent these 3 hours in watching a movie or web series, but I didn't sleep because I don't feel that lazy to sleep. So I thought I'll sleep early in the night and now I'll not sleep. So it is 6 p.m. and I'll be doing my next task, which is going to be reading a book. So I'll be reading my book which I am just like ignoring by so many days, and I'm not reading books which needs to be started now. So I'll be reading today this book which says How to Win
friends and influence people. I read it once but half. Now I'll start it again with the starting because I just don't know where I left it. So I'll start reading it from the starting. Let's do this. After this, I decided to do a little bit of my studies, and so I started doing that. And after which, I thought to end my video because I was done with all the tasks. After this, I just had my dinner and spent my some little bit of time with my family. That's pretty much I did. So here I ended this vlog. So I'm done with my this routine of today and I'm so happy. It was such a nice day. I had so many different experiences and it was such a nice day overall. And here I have my list and I'll be telling you whatever I've did today and what I'll be doing continue basis and what I will not do. So that's going to be a reality check now. And it is right now 9 p.m. I'll be sleeping a little early because I didn't sleep in between and I woke up early. So I thought let's just off this video now. A few things which I'll not be adapting is waking up at 5 because I'm not habitual to this and I don't want to wake up this early. I'll be waking up till 7 or 8 but I cannot wake up at 5. So this is not I'm going to be doing. Water, I'll have water, that's a good thing. Meditation, I will add my meditation in my routine. I'll go for a walk with my pet because that was so good. And I do cleaning on my regular basis. Week planning, which I was not doing, I will started doing again. Skincare, which I skipped so many times, but I'll be doing that on every single day now. I did my studies. I will be doing my studies with the consistency. And reading book, which is very important, which I was not doing. I'll be reading books as well. So that's something which I did today, and I am pretty satisfied with my day. Tell me in the comment section what do you think, and we will be meeting in our next video. Then bye bye.